friends, welcome to Safety Tech Travel. Today we are going to discuss the HSC statistics report. We are discussing today weekly HSC statistics reports. So every project's safety department need to submit the report to the client or their head office or their concerned authorities required to submit the statistics reports. So in this statistics reports, what are the content includes and how it will be the form and what are the content included in the statistics reports. So if you're watching first time our video, please subscribe our channel and support. Share with our friends. So here is a heading weekly statistics report. Here you can mention your company logo, name, project name, and etc. You can mention here. This logo I am deleted because of the privacy policy. So this space you can use for this kind of company instructions. Second, this space you can use for your company logo, project name, and location, etc. So weekly HSC statistics reports, and some companies adding their activities reports to that weekly. What are the HSC activities they're doing, like safety awards, inspections, training, toolbox? So that evidence of photos or description they are using also. Some companies only statistics they are doing. So reporting period weekly. So here I take sample weekly 7 days. So weekly statistics we are normally sending 7 days statistics. So in this form there will be a certain descriptions and cumulative. Cumulative, here this figure will come the total figure from starting to up to today when it is reporting 4th June 2015, 29 May 4th June 2015. That day is reporting the total up to the 4th June 2015. This is the total figures. So this during the report means 29 May to 4th June 2015. During this report, that particular week statistics it will be mentioned here, and the total project end to up to the last this together total statistics will come here. So here we'll see what are the content included. Total man hours. So man hours calculation I will briefly explain later. So man hours will mention here, cumulative at the end of this year, and statistics weekly 29 May to 4th June, and total. LTI free man hours. If it's no LTI, it will become as the same. If there is a LTI, after the LTI, they want to up to the date. LTI free days. How many days you work LTI free days? So 7 days. You work with 1 week statistics. 7 days we work without LTI, and the total year cumulative we work with 389. Near misses. How many near misses total? And during the period that week how many near misses and total. First aid case cumulative numbers, and during the week that 1 week statistics plus total. MTC 0. Incident report also same. Asset damage or fire incidents, number of TBT conducted, cumulative numbers, and the particular week how many toolbox are conducted and total. HSC induction cumulative and that particular week, current week, and total. Training program conducted also particular week and total. Observations, total observation raised and particular week, total. Number of warning letters issues. Some companies required, some companies not required. It depend upon the request, depend upon your requirement. You can add and delete the points. So some companies they're adding to TBT the activities in their toolbox meeting conducted, and some safety toolbox meeting, morning exercise, etc. You can add in below. Some companies not required, only the particular statistics you need to add in that report. So what are the minimum client requirements? You can send that only the report. Don't mention any additional things which will put you in a risk later on. So these are the HSC statistics form and contents. So if there is any additional things, please put in the comment sections, and see you with another video. Goodbye.